There's always this one guy, let's call him Ankit. Every semester his routine was the same. One night before the exam, syllabus खोल के मैराथन की तरह पढ़ना, 2 Red Bulls and 1 line. भाई याद तो हो गया है, बस कल ना भूल जाऊं. And the next day he forgets. Not because he was lazy, but because he never learned how to study in a way that sticks. So if you also study hard, understand things, but forget them at the worst time, this video is for you. And let's start this with a simple fact. Your brain is not weak. Your methods are. In psychology, it is believed that when you read something just once and never review it, within 24 hours, you can forget up to 80% of it. This is called the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. So unless you give your brain a signal that, hey, this is important, it simply deletes it. But the good news is there are techniques that actually work with your brain. And let me walk you through 5 of them today. Hi, I am Shubham Bhatt. I am a psychologist and आज इसी बारे में बात करते हैं. You have probably tried this. Studying 8 hours in one day and it works until it doesn't. What works better is something called spaced repetition, which means instead of cramming everything at once, सब कुछ एक साथ याद करने की जगह, you revise small bits over multiple days. Like this. Day 1, learn about the topic. Day 2, उसको जल्दी से review करो, a quick review about it. Day 4, एक test लो, which is called the self test, कि मुझे कितना याद है. And day 7 पे do a final recap of everything that you have learned. So every time you review it, your brain says, okay, this is coming back again and again. It must be important. Apps like Anki can help you, or just schedule reminders on Google Calendar. याद रखो, small reviews when spaced out is equal to long-term memory. Second, most students make this mistake. They just read. But memory doesn't build when you just read. It builds when you recall. So after every 30-minute study session, try this. Close your book, write down or speak whatever you remember. This is called retrieval practice. It's like doing push-up for your brain. The more you try to recall, the deeper the memory goes. Next, make your study material visual. Don't just write plain notes. Add diagrams to it. Arrows banao, symbols banao, doodles banao, flowcharts. This method is called dual coding, which means using both visual and words to understand something. मतलब आप 2 senses use कर रहे हो. And also your brain loves pictures. So the moment you connect visual with the concepts, retention goes up. Sometimes even 2 times. Try drawing mind maps, timelines, or even comic strip if it helps. Whatever makes the idea more visible in your head. Now let's talk about mixing things up. Most of us study like this. One full day for history, next full day for science, then 1 day for math. But research says the method actually slows you down. Instead, try interleaving. Mix 2 or 3 topics in a study session. For example, study 1 chapter of math, then a topic from science, then switch to psychology. This switch forces your brain to work harder, stay alert, and form better connections. Also, boring कम लगता है. It feels uncomfortable at first, but it leads to deeper learning. And finally, the ultimate test. Can you explain it to someone else? This is called the Feynman technique. If you can teach something simply, आसानी से समझा सकते हो, it means you have actually understood it. So next time, pick up a topic, pretend that you are teaching it to a friend, a sibling, or even your pet. और अगर सच में कोई जूनियर है तो उसको पढ़ा सकते हो. Use very simple words, no jargon. You'll quickly notice what you remember clearly and what needs more work. And जिस पे भी ज़्यादा काम हो, उसको दोबारा से पढ़ो, दोबारा से समझाने की कोशिश करो. Teaching is not the final step. Take it as a learning tool in itself. So let's do a quick recap. Spaced repetition का मतलब review over time. Second, retrieval practice. Recall without looking at the notes. Dual coding. Mix visuals with words. Interleaving. Mix topics in one session. And last, teach it. Explain it like a teacher to a kid. These are not fancy tricks. They are science-backed methods that actually work with your brain and not against it. So stop blaming your memory. Start changing your methods. And if you're ready to study smarter, like this video and subscribe us for more such content.